God.
Fairly
He
gift.
loves people.
Christmas gift.
Drop.
Hey world, YouTube world, Nick Shep here of the I Alone Project, and we are on the famous Chattanooga Walnut Street Bridge. Here today to show you guys another way to make some quick money with your photography. Today the idea is to offer people a quick family shoot, because it is the day after Christmas, the second biggest sale day of the year, so families are out, people are in town, and they're checking out the sites. So, if you're trying to make money with one of these things, here's the idea. You find a place in your town that is a very big tourist attraction. You show up, you have some of your work on your phone, basically a mini portfolio. You show the people the quality of your work and tell them what you normally charge for that work. But today, when people are walking down the bridge with their family, what we're gonna do is charge them $10 for one shot in front of this bridge. Pretty iconic. Super simple, quick and easy way to make money. We've got my homie Ty behind the camera right now, filming me. Weird. And my other homie Nick, if you followed me for quite some time, you know Nick. Mr. NXE from MDE. Anyways, he's gonna be manning the flash for me, but super simple setup. Got my camera, got my trigger, got my flash, got my pop-up softbox. All you need to do these kinds of shots, and I'll show you guys examples of those here. And maybe here. Here. Drop. Anyway, so let's get to it. Nick, pull back just a little bit. Right there, perfect. All right, y'all, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. So when I edit it, you guys will come out a lot more.
Yeah, I require a lot of editing.
So go ahead and line up. I can get you guys to line up right about, probably about right here. Three, 2, and 1.
Right. He knows when there's a camera. Sit, buddy. Hey, sit. Oakley, sit.
So precious.
Hey, sit.
So there you have it. Yeah, well, I'm back in the studio. Why, you might ask? Well, because I absolutely forgot to do a close-up video while we were out there on the bridge. So I'm back in the studio. Seriously though, so there you have it. Look, I get it. Times are weird, times are tough. And I just wanted to do another video to show you guys how to make some quick money. And for me, the best thing I can do to help any of you out there that are contributing to my channel by watching it, subscribing, liking, etc., is help you guys find a way to make extra money. So, get out there, take this damn thing, and go make some damn money, because God knows you spent enough on the bastard. Do it. And I will see you guys next time I decide to, I don't know, get creative and show you another way to make money with your expensive ass camera. Deuces.